In this quick video, I wanted to show you guys a great trade setup with a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio on Amazon. Alright, let's go ahead and get to it. Looking at the daily chart, Amazon has been digesting and consolidating the big breakout from the $2,000 area for the last 5 months or so. So as you can see in this chart right here, this move from the $2,035 area or so had a big breakout right over here, and right now it has been consolidating this move for the last 5 months. Based on recent price action, it looks like it's ready to move again. As you can see here, we've had a clear triangle price pattern, which is a continuation pattern. This means that a recent move is digested before continuing in the original direction, which in this case is up. Technical analysis can be a mix of art and science, which is why I drew 2 different upper triangle lines as shown here, as some chartists will prefer one over the other. The end result is the same in this case. Let's take a look at the positive factors. What we've got here today is a big green candle and above average volume. Price is now embedded in the upper Bollinger Band. Once it's embedded, it tends to stay that way until hitting resistance, or unless price is proven to be a false breakout, and then in that case the whole setup is invalidated. Price also bounced off both the 20-day and the 50-day moving averages. So you can see the 20-day in the red and the 50-day in the blue. The 200-day moving average is finally catching up to price for additional support. The only factor that's concerning is that it closed just below the horizontal resistance right here at about 32.86. I would like to see either a price break and close above this resistance tomorrow, or a very strong open with high volume. In that case, I'd enter on a pullback intraday and pay close attention for a strong close. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at profit potential and the risk to reward ratio based on price pattern minimum price objective set up by this triangle pattern. What a triangle pattern does is it sets up a minimum price objective, which is done by looking at the beginning of the pattern, and you project out to where the price breaks out. So assuming that we use this triangle here as the breakout point, we will be looking at about 39.50 area roughly for our price objective. And so let's take a look at what that would look like if we took a long position tomorrow. Assuming that we enter just a little bit above the close today and projected out our price potential, let's go with that. We can adjust the stop loss right here, and we would adjust it to probably right about here. That way it's just below this area of support right around here. And we also know that once price, we would know that if price went below the 50-day moving average and totally reversed this move, that the triangle has pretty much been invalidated and more downside is likely. So what we've got here is a risk to reward ratio of about 1-to-4, which is a great setup. You have about $644 in reward and about $163 in risk. So all in all, this is a great setup. All right. Thank you guys for your time. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please like, please comment, and please subscribe for future videos. I look forward to sharing and hearing from you guys. Thank you.